Donald John Trump, born on 14th June 1946, is the 45th and current President of the United States. From real estate developer to casino owner to reality TV star to politics, Trump is always center of attention. Trump had three political affiliations. He was independent from 2011 to 2012, Democratic from 1987 to 2009, at present Republican. He has 5 children from 3 of his marriages. Trump was part owner of 3 major beauty pageants from 1996 to 2015. He partly owned Miss Universe, Miss USA and Miss Teen USA. Donald Trump owns and operates around 18 golf courses around the world. His net worth is $2.1 billion. Kumar Mangalam Birla, born on 14 June 1967, is an Indian billionaire industrialist and also the chairman of the Aditya Birla Group, which is the largest conglomerate in India. He is also the chancellor of the Birla Institute of Technology and Science and the chairman of Indian Institute of Technology Delhi and Indian Institute of Management Ahmedabad. Birla is a 4th generation member of the Marwari Birla family from the state of Rajasthan. Birla took over as chairman of the Aditya Birla Group in 1995 at the age of 28, following the death of his father Aditya Vikram Birla. During his tenure as chairman, the group's annual turnover has increased from $3.33 billion in 1995 to $48.3 billion in 2019. Since 1777, the design of the US flag has been modified officially 26 times. The current design of the US flag is its 27th. The national flag of the United States consists of 13 equal horizontal stripes of red alternating with white and with a blue rectangle in the canton, bearing 50 small white 5-pointed stars arranged in 9 offset horizontal rows, where rows of 6 stars alternate with rows of 5 stars. The 50 stars on the flag represent the 50 states of the United States of America, and 13 stripes represent the 13 British colonies that declared independence from the Kingdom of Great Britain and became the first states in the US. Every year on June 14th, Flag Day is observed in the United States. RBI had introduced the Banking Ombudsman Scheme in India on 14 June 1995 to provide an expeditious and inexpensive forum to bank customers for resolution of their complaints relating to deficiency in banking services provided by commercial banks, regional rural banks and scheduled primary cooperative banks. And also June 14th is celebrated in many ways. World Blood Donor Day, Juggling Day, Cupcake Day, International Bath Day and Bonbon Day. See, there's so many reasons to love history. This is Raghavishri. We do you. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram and subscribe us on YouTube at Ragashri Video.